In this video, I'll show you how to make 888 star deposit. Like subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888 stars account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on the three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you want to make an 8 stars deposit, here's what to do. You come over to your menu and there are two options. Are you clicking the deposit button, or maybe from here just click on the plus button at the top left corner. That's going to bring you to the deposit options. All you have to do is to scroll through them and choose the option that is convenient for you. You can use a cryptocurrency to deposit, you can use an e-wallet or anyone that works perfectly for you, especially in the country where you are. So just go ahead and choose a method and complete the deposit.